Oh my god, all this luggage. Going home now. So, this is the trip back home to Singapore. Where is everybody?
What are you doing?
Hey. This.
What's that?
Flashback.
So, here is some context for those of you who do not know. By the time of recording this video, I am actually about to return to Singapore to attend my brother's wedding. Unfortunately, Selene cannot join me for this trip because of her current work commitments here in Thailand. And because of that, I am going to be missing out a couple of key events in our relationship, such as Valentine's Day and her birthday that is in March. So because I'm missing out on all of these events, I don't want her to feel lonely in Thailand. That is why I'm preparing this treasure hunt for her to keep her company whilst I'm away. You know what? Enough said. Let me walk you through some of my ideas and plan, and let's go! Every treasure hunt needs a map, and that's why I am going to be creating my very own map here. I've got a cardboard box here that I will be cutting up to create my treasure map. So let's see what we get over here. Over the past couple of weeks, I have been racking my brain trying to think of the perfect gift for Selene on these occasions. Treasure map. And that's when I stumbled upon this idea. Instead of just buying one gift, what if I gave her a series of presents that comes with clues and puzzles for her to play with, so that she can stumble upon surprises after surprises while I'm away. And that is what I have here. So over here, I have my plan written out in a piece of paper. It's not much, but it's what I have, some details. So I've gotten her a pearl necklace. Wow! For her birthday. I've gotten her a Lego set that she can play with for Valentine's Day. It's supposed to be some Lego flowers, but it's all out of stock. So Selene, I hope you love the bear. I've gotten her a new sports bra from Adidas, so to remind her to work out with me on one day. A little terrarium. It's aloe vera actually. Of course, GoPro cameras so that she can record all these experiences, and some awesome candles, especially for a birthday. And last but not least, we've got some cards here as well that I'll be hiding around the apartment. So let's say she goes out to wash the clothes, maybe she would find a card, to remind her not to mix the red clothing with the white one, or colored clothing with the white one. So I think it'll be fun. Let's get down to business.
24 hours later.
What up, you guys? It's 2 days before I leave, and I thought I could use today to finish up writing all the cards and hide the presents all around the house. But guess what? Selene decided to work from home today. Yes, she decided to work from home today. Why? Yeah, check it out. So, while Selene's in the room working, I am going to use this time now to finish up all my cards that I have here, and then hide them around the house. Alright, it's going to be a challenge, but I'm always up for it. Alright, let's go into time lapse.
Little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, you guys, I am finally done writing all these cards. You see, everyone has a handwritten message from me, and the treasure hunt is completed as well. So what I'm gonna do right now while Selene is in the room working, I'm gonna go around the house to hide all these cards and the presents that I got for her. So let's see how this goes. It's gonna be fun. Let's start off with Selene's birthday gift, the pearl necklace. So I'm gonna hide it in this place that she would not guess in a million years, because I only want her to find this gift during her birthday. Alright, let's go. final piece to the puzzle, the treasure hunt. I will only be giving this to her at the airport. That is why I am gonna pack this in my luggage. Wish me luck.
End of flashback. 48 hours later.
What are you doing?
Hey, this.
What's that?
This is the epic treasure hunt that I've created for you to keep you company while I'm away. Turn around.
What?
So over here are the instructions and the clues that you have of all the stuff that you can find to play around while I'm away.
What does this mean? Do not mix.
Yeah, so this,
What am I supposed to do? What does that mean?
just find it, the instructions are all there. I only
What's
ask,
the
I have put
instructions?
how to play here, but I also say that make sure that you don't complete it all in one day. You know, and I'm sure that the way I've designed it, you will not be able to complete it in one day as well. So
Netflix. Welcome to the epic treasure hunt. This was meticulously designed and engineered to keep you company while I am away.
Many minutes later.
They
need not be completed in chronological order.
I don't understand what you mean.
It's a treasure hunt. When you get it, this is where you can't come with me anymore. Bye.